Women obsess over you when you do this. Ever wonder what women secretly think after meeting you? Some guys fade instantly. Others stick in her head for days, even weeks. The difference comes down to 6 behaviors I'll share in this video. And the last one, that's the moment she starts asking herself, why can't I stop thinking about him? First time watching? We give daily dating tips for men. Subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell. You'll thank yourself tomorrow. 1. You vanish mid-peak. Picture this. The conversation is flowing. She's laughing harder than she has all week. And then you excuse yourself, check your watch, and say you've got to run. Not rudely, not dramatically, just decisively. That moment leaves her hanging in midair, wondering what could possibly be more important than finishing that spark with her. The mind hates unfinished stories, and you just turned yourself into a living cliffhanger. Instead of her, walking away satisfied, she's now pacing mentally, replaying the conversation, wishing she had gotten 10 more minutes with you. That what-if loop is how obsession sneaks in. 2. You don't flinch at her silence. Most guys panic when a woman goes quiet. They start filling space with nervous chatter, bad jokes, or oversharing. But when you let silence breathe, that's different. It tells her you're not scrambling for approval. You're simply present. It feels less like you're trying to impress and more like you're testing if she can keep up with your calm. She'll start to wonder what's going on in his head. Why doesn't he feel awkward? That curiosity sticks. It's like when you see someone staring out a window, totally at peace, and you can't help but want to know what they're thinking. 3. You treat her highlight reel like background noise. She's telling you about the promotion, the trip, the compliments she got, expecting you to light up like fireworks. But you just nod, smile faintly, and sip your drink as though it's all just Tuesday. Not because you're dismissive, but because you see her more deeply than her headlines. That subtle indifference makes her itch. She's used to men fawning over every shiny detail, and now she's desperate to show you something real enough to crack your cool. Instead of basking in her own story, she's scanning your face, hoping to finally get a reaction. That shift, her working for your attention, is where the obsession begins. 4. You surprise her with unpredictability. Here's the thing, predictability is safe, but it's also boring. When you're just a little unpredictable, you take up more mental space. Maybe you cancel dinner because you found a hidden jazz bar and you'd rather take her there. Maybe you recommend a book instead of a movie. Maybe you laugh at something she expected you to take seriously. These small detours keep her guessing, and guessing is addictive. The brain loves patterns, but it loves breaking patterns even more. She starts replaying your choices in her mind, trying to decode your next move, like it's a puzzle only she wants to solve. 5. You're generous in oddly specific ways. Not flowers, not good morning texts, not the predictable moves she's seen 1,000 times. You notice the tiny details. You save her favorite sauce packet because she once joked about hoarding them. You remember the exact way she takes her tea and slide it across the table before she even asks. These small surgical strikes of attention feel personal in a way generic romance gestures don't. They bypass her defenses and whisper, "I actually see you." That kind of recognition can make a woman replay your smallest moves for days, even weeks. It's not grand, it's precise, and precision is unforgettable. 6. You end the night without angling for more. Here's the one that really twists her up. Most guys leave a date trying to squeeze in another drink, a kiss, an invitation upstairs. You, on the other hand, walk her to her door, give a warm but composed goodbye, and vanish. No agenda, no push, just a sense that your time together was complete for now. That restraint flips her script entirely. Instead of processing the night as mission accomplished, she's left in a whirlpool of questions. Why didn't he push? Wasn't he interested? Does he always do this? That restraint turns into intrigue, and intrigue is the seed of obsession. Up next, discover the gestures women fall for, or learn how she touches you when she wants you. Thanks for watching.